After a historic launch, the work is far from over. At NASA's Kennedy Space Center, the mobile launcher begins its journey back to the Vehicle Assembly Building, a slow 4-mile return from Launch Complex 39B. This massive structure played a critical role in the Artemis II mission. Standing tall, it supported the most powerful rocket ever built. But the power of launch comes at a cost. During liftoff, extreme heat, vibration, and force left their mark. Now, engineers and technicians move the tower back inside to inspect, analyze, and repair. Every detail matters. Every system must be checked, because this launcher is already being prepared for the next mission. Artemis III. Inside the VEB, teams will work to ensure everything is ready, stronger, safer, more precise than ever before. Because in space exploration, progress is built not just on success, but on what we learn after the launch. And this is how we move forward, one mission at a time. A new chapter is already in motion. At NASA's Michoud assembly facility, the core stage of the Space Launch System begins its journey. This is the largest section of the rocket that will power Artemis III, a mission planned to carry humans deeper into space than ever before. Slowly, with precision, this massive structure gets rolled out of the facility. Guided by specialized transporters, engineers move the top 4/5 of the core stage toward the Pegasus barge. Inside this structure are the liquid hydrogen tank, the liquid oxygen tank, the intertank, and the forward skirt, the backbone of a rocket built for deep space. Before departure, a transportation simulator is added to represent the engine section, ensuring balance, stability, and safety during the journey. Now, the Pegasus barge will carry this stage across the water to Kennedy Space Center, where final outfitting and vertical integration will begin. This is not just transport, this is progress, a critical step toward the next era of human exploration, because every movement brings us closer to what comes next. Artemis III